Are you an athlete? A fitness enthusiast? Or simply someone who's tired of sore, stiff muscles? Stuck in a chair all day? The Toloco Massage Gun offers office workers a powerful solution for pain relief. Combat muscle fatigue with its deep tissue massage capability at 3,200 revolutions per minute. Let me introduce you to the Toloco Massage Gun, a deep tissue back massager that's designed to give you relief and relaxation whenever you need it most. Lightweight and portable, it's designed for ease. Charge it with USB and enjoy up to 6 hours of relaxation, perfect for those long workdays. Reclaim your vitality with Toloco's advanced massage technology. Click the link below to buy now and experience true comfort, muscle relief, and a stress-free recovery. Buy now to get discount now. Brand new gadgets. Combat muscle fatigue with its deep tissue massage capability at 3,200 revolutions per minute. Brand new gadgets. Discover the future, one gadget at a time.